What up? We got the new joint from the homeless dust spot. $100 hairs. The Milwaukee packout guy. I got the battery charging right now. It comes with a 2 amp hour battery. Comes with the impact gun. Fuel, brushless. I forgot how many foot-pounds of torque this thing got. What is it, like 1100? 3/8. Quarter inch. What is it? Just kidding. Nah. Quarter inch impact gun. I wish it was an impact wrench, but it isn't. It's the impact gun. My father-in-law wants this thing bad. He's like, man, I'll give you $50 hairs for that. I was like, you out of your mind, guy. $50 hairs. I wanted it because of this. This is what I wanted the most. This packout joint. This thing is man. Yo, I love Milwaukee, dog. I'm a Milwaukee sucker. I'm a Milwaukee sucker. Packout, man. Look. Put a lock on it. Look at that. Compatible, dude. Heavy duty. And next invest into whatever. What do we got here? Look at that, huh? Milwaukee packout. SDS is my next thing I'm gonna invest in. Look at that, huh? Milwaukee multi-system. But yeah, we got the quarter inch hex impact driver. I forget the torque. I lit the box on fire. We got the bonfire going. See? I lit that thing on fire. I got the 2 amp hour battery charging. I did the wiring in this whole garage, son. And the shed. And the outside lights. Everything here. Still got a little more to do though. But yeah. Find it at the homeless dust spot. Packout. Well, I invested into the packout. This is my first addition to the packout. I wanted this thing as soon as I saw it. Good thing about it is I got 2 of the 20-inch organizers at home, so I can just take a few bins from there and put this back there. One of these guys. But yeah, that's it. Comes with a little, you know. Comes with this thing. What is this called, man? I don't know half of these shit that this shit's called, man. I'm new at this. You guys gotta help me out. Alright? I'm ignorant when it comes to this shit. Son. I am from the bridge, so you gotta forgive me. I'm from the gutter. Make a DJ stutter. Brushless, son. Impact. That's the homeless dust spot. And their store credit. Thank you guys, yo. Appreciate it. Catch y'all on the next one.